please, oh please, let this be a ham hock. I was looking, I thought I had a ham hock in there. I was thinking, oh my gosh, that's a big old ham hock, isn't it? These are the best to cook beans with. Absolutely the best. So I was volunteered the other night at work to make something for work dinner, my work family. And they wanted me to bring something in. Let me fix that. In the crock pot. You can, look at that. You can always tell what kind of weather it is here in Ohio. If it's really humid, my bangs are going to be like all over the place. And they are, so it is what it is. Anyway, they, one person in particular decided I should bring something in Sunday night for work in the crock pot. And they wanted beans. They wanted beans. They said some soup beans, some type of soup, something. I just made beans last week, but I'm perfectly okay with making them again. So I knew that I had a ham hock in there somewhere. I thought it was smaller. I'm pretty sure I packaged it differently. So there's another ham hock floating around in there, but you hear those goats? But this is a big one. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna cook them in the crock pot. I'm not a big fan of cooking soup beans in the crock pot because I feel like they don't get thick enough, but I'm not gonna make that many because I don't want a bunch of leftovers. I'm gonna use this ham hock. I hope it's not been in there too long, but it's been frozen, so it should be all right. That's a big old ham hock. Call me crazy, but I'm gonna do something new, different, I've never done before. This big ham hock, I'm gonna cook it for a little while, probably about an hour in this water before I put it in my beans, because I'm not making a whole lot of beans. And those are the smaller navy beans, and I'm afraid they'll get done before this ham hock does. So I need to add some water into my beans as well, and that way the water in here will be flavored from the ham hock. Now, isn't that some creation there? Now, when that, I'm gonna try to steady your light here. When I'm done cooking that ham hock I'm gonna cook it probably for about, I don't know, till it starts looking like it's getting a little bit more done. Because like I said, I don't think that, you know, it's gonna cook in here the whole time. I think that what I'm saying is I think the beans are gonna be done before the ham hock's done. You follow me? All right, I'm gonna add some onion powder in here, and then I'm gonna also add a little bit of celery salt. And other than that, a little salt and pepper and that ham hock. And probably some bacon grease. That's all I'm gonna put in here. I did put 2 cans of chicken stock in here, so. Should be nice and seasoned. I think so anyway. I'll probably end up making tomorrow. I might, well, I know that I'm gonna make some cornbread as well. I'll make that when I get up tomorrow before I get ready to take a shower. Stir it around a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on this. I'm gonna add some more water in here. If you didn't follow me, I'm gonna put the water that I boiled the ham hock in here that's gonna help flavor it, because I don't wanna lose my flavoring from the ham hock. I'm gonna put my lid on and let these go ahead and get started. And I'm gonna keep an eye on my ham hock. Hold on. Something very dangerous is going on outside, so we better go supervise. Are you sure you can do that? Oh my gosh. Get back in case it rolls. That's some heel jack stuff here. Oh my gosh. That was so scary.
The thing was like rocking closer and closer.
Flipping truck. I thought the truck was going to tip up. Guys, don't do this at home.
We're trying to get a good viral video.
Tried to.
Flip the ball, man. Pop this out.
Now who's gonna watch you back that back down? Oh, is he going? He's going over there with you, right?
I don't know. Might just be me. It might be.
Let me show you something real pretty that I bought for myself. Not that. My husband got that for his birthday. A friend of his brought that over for him. That is Irish whiskey. Oh, Lord. Not that. Let's get that out of the way. But I wanted to put something in this corner. This is the corner of my kitchen that always seems to collect everything. Look how pretty that is. Look at that tomato. Isn't that pretty? But this is the corner that always collects everything. I had my knife set sitting over here. I always have a part in my house that collects junk. Well, I have multiple areas of my house that collect junk. This was one of them. So I wanted to buy myself something pretty. I wanted to treat myself with something pretty, and I did. I hardly ever buy myself anything, and I bought this. I got this from Amazon. This and this came together. Just those, just those two things. I thought that was so pretty. This is a cupcake tier. I guess that's what it's supposed to be. But I bought that as well. That comes in different colors. You could get it in a lighter color. It also comes in like a distressed white. Look at that. That's so cute. But I thought with the red background of my backsplash there, which we need to redo this anyway, I thought it would look really pretty there. And then I didn't expect these to be as big as they are. I was looking for something miniature, maybe to go up on here for a little extra color, but I got two of those that came together. So I just kind of put them on both sides, but I just think that's so pretty. Don't you think that's pretty? I need something red to go with it because that tomato looks so good with it. Maybe I could stick the tomato up there. There. How's that? Nah, we won't do that. I decided that this is the only thing I'm going to be cooking today, which I'm not really doing a whole lot. All I had to do was cut some veggies and wash my beans and boil my hot to put in my beans. So I'm not cooking anything today for us to eat. I am craving a piece of Lee's chicken and some jalapeno peppers. So I think that's what I'm going to go get us for dinner. So as you've seen, I had to put the beans in a pot on the stove because they weren't thickening, just like I said. I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy my ice cream. The chicken was delicious. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care. Always gotta keep an eye on your ham hock. Above everything else, you gotta keep an eye on your ham hock.